What if I told you that some of the most powerful anti-aging tools aren't found in expensive creams or miracle supplements, but in ordinary foods you can buy at your local grocery store? Science is revealing that certain foods can help protect your brain, nourish your skin, reduce chronic inflammation, support healthy cells, and even slow many of the biological processes associated with aging. No, they won't make you 20 again. But they can help your body repair itself more efficiently, stay healthier for longer, and reduce the wear and tear that naturally builds up over time. Today, we're counting down 10 foods backed by scientific research that may help you age better, from improving memory and protecting your heart to supporting glowing skin and a healthier gut. And make sure you stay until the end, because the number one food doesn't just benefit one part of your body, it may influence nearly every system linked to healthy aging. Let's start immediately with number 10. Blueberries, the brain's reset button. Imagine waking up every morning and giving your brain a gentle tune-up before the day even begins. That's essentially what blueberries may be doing. These tiny berries are loaded with anthocyanins, the natural pigments that give them their deep blue color. They're also among the most powerful antioxidants found in nature. Every day, your brain faces attacks from oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Over time, this damage can interfere with how neurons communicate and contribute to memory decline. Anthocyanins help neutralize those harmful free radicals while calming inflammation. Research from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health has linked higher blueberry consumption with slower rates of cognitive decline in older adults. Meanwhile, scientists at the USDA Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging at Tufts University have shown that blueberry-rich diets can improve communication between brain cells and enhance memory in aging models. Blueberries may also improve blood flow to the brain, helping deliver more oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. The best part? You don't need huge amounts. About 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries each day is enough to make them an easy long-term habit. Think of blueberries as routine maintenance for your brain, small daily investments that may pay dividends for years. 9. Extra virgin olive oil, liquid longevity. If there were a liquid that repeatedly appeared in studies of the world's healthiest populations, it would be extra virgin olive oil. In fact, it's one of the defining foods of the Mediterranean diet, consistently associated with longer life and lower rates of chronic disease. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with polyphenols and oleic acid. These natural compounds help protect cell membranes, the protective outer layer surrounding every cell in your body. When cell membranes stay healthy, your cells communicate better, repair damage more effectively, and resist inflammation. One landmark study, pre-dimed, led by researchers in Spain, found that a Mediterranean diet enriched with extra virgin olive oil significantly reduced cardiovascular events in high-risk adults. Additional research from institutions including Harvard Medical School suggests that regular olive oil consumption is associated with lower risks of heart disease and may also support brain health as people age. One important tip: whenever possible, enjoy extra virgin olive oil raw, drizzled over salads, vegetables, soups, or whole grain bread. Heating is fine for many cooking methods, but using it uncooked helps preserve more of its delicate polyphenols. Sometimes longevity is as simple as replacing one everyday ingredient. 8. Green tea, time in a teacup. Imagine if every sip of your morning tea quietly encouraged your cells to stay healthier just a little longer. Green tea comes surprisingly close. Its superstar compound is EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate, one of the most extensively studied plant antioxidants. EGCG helps reduce oxidative stress, protects DNA from damage, and supports your body's natural repair systems. Some studies even suggest green tea may help preserve telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that naturally shorten as we age. Researchers from institutions including the National Institutes of Health have investigated green tea's role in supporting healthy aging, cardiovascular health, and cognitive function through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. The secret isn't drinking gallons. It's consistency. 1 or 2 cups most days may provide greater long-term benefits than occasional large amounts. A simple daily ritual can become one of the easiest longevity habits you'll ever build. 7. Wild salmon, skin and cell rebuilder. When people think about youthful skin, they often focus on creams. But healthy skin starts much deeper, inside every cell. Wild salmon is one of nature's richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which help build flexible, healthy cell membranes throughout the body. Your brain, heart, eyes, and skin all rely heavily on these healthy fats. Wild salmon also contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant responsible for its pink color. Research suggests astaxanthin may help improve skin elasticity, reduce UV-related skin damage, and support mitochondrial health, the tiny energy factories inside every cell. Studies supported by organizations like the American Heart Association consistently show that omega-3 rich fish can help protect cardiovascular health while supporting healthy brain function throughout aging. Whenever possible, choose wild-caught salmon, which generally contains higher levels of certain beneficial nutrients and pigments than many farmed varieties. Healthy fats keep your cells flexible, resilient, and ready for repair. 6. Avocado, green armor for your skin. Your skin reflects what's happening beneath the surface. And avocados feed your skin from the inside out. They're packed with vitamins E and C, 2 nutrients that work together to protect skin cells from oxidative damage while supporting collagen production. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping skin firm and resilient. Avocados also contain healthy monounsaturated fats that improve the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients from other foods. In other words, adding avocado to your salad actually helps your body absorb more nutrition. They also provide lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support both skin and eye health. Research published by scientists from the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, and collaborators has found that regular avocado consumption may improve skin elasticity and firmness in women over time. Think of avocados as skincare you can eat. 5. Dark chocolate, the sweet science of youth. Yes. Chocolate made the list. But we're talking about real dark chocolate, not candy bars loaded with sugar. High-quality dark chocolate containing at least 70% cacao is rich in flavonols, natural plant compounds that improve blood vessel function. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your brain, heart, and skin. Researchers have found flavonols may support cognitive performance, improve insulin sensitivity, and even enhance skin circulation. Studies from institutions including Harvard Medical School and other leading research centers continue exploring cocoa flavonols for healthy aging and cardiovascular support. The key is moderation. 1 or 2 small squares of quality dark chocolate can absolutely fit into a longevity-focused diet. Sometimes healthy aging can be surprisingly delicious. 4. Pomegranates, the cell rejuvenator. Every cell in your body contains tiny power plants called mitochondria. As we age, those power plants become less efficient. Pomegranates contain unique compounds called L-glutathione, which gut bacteria convert into molecules such as urolithin A. Research has shown that urolithin A may help stimulate mitophagy, your body's natural process of clearing away worn-out mitochondria so healthier ones can take their place. Scientists from institutions including EPFL, Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Lausanne, have published groundbreaking work showing the potential role of urolithin A in improving mitochondrial function and muscle health. Pomegranates also provide vitamin C and antioxidants that support collagen production while protecting skin from environmental stress. Think of them as helping refresh your body's energy factories. 3. Broccoli sprouts, the detox commander. These tiny sprouts may be small, but they're nutritional powerhouses. Broccoli sprouts contain extremely high levels of sulforaphane, far more than mature broccoli. Sulforaphane activates a protective pathway inside your cells called NRF2. You can think of NRF2 as your body's emergency response coordinator. Once activated, it switches on hundreds of protective genes that enhance antioxidant production, improve detoxification, and help defend cells against damage. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University, where sulforaphane has been extensively studied, have demonstrated its remarkable effects on cellular defense systems. Emerging research also suggests sulforaphane may help protect both brain cells and skin from age-related stress. Sometimes the smallest foods deliver the biggest biological impact. 2. Turmeric, the golden repair system. One of the biggest drivers of aging isn't something you can see. It's chronic, low-grade inflammation. Scientists sometimes call it inflammaging. Over time, persistent inflammation can contribute to heart disease, cognitive decline, arthritis, and many other age-related conditions. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the world's best-studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Curcumin helps regulate inflammatory pathways throughout the body. Research from institutions including the National Institutes of Health suggests curcumin may also support brain health by increasing BDNF, a protein involved in learning, memory, and the growth of new brain cells. Curcumin is absorbed much better when combined with black pepper, thanks to a natural compound called piperine. Whether added to soups, curries, smoothies, or taken as a high-quality supplement under medical guidance, turmeric is one of the simplest ways to support healthier aging. Less inflammation often means a healthier body from head to toe. 1. Fermented foods, the gut's time machine. What if one of the greatest secrets to healthy aging wasn't in your brain or your skin, but inside your gut? Trillions of beneficial bacteria live in your digestive system, forming what's known as the gut microbiome. Scientists now know this microscopic ecosystem influences immunity, inflammation, metabolism, digestion, and even brain function. Fermented foods, including yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and kombucha, are rich in beneficial probiotics. These microbes help improve gut microbiome diversity while encouraging the production of short-chain fatty acids, compounds that help reduce inflammation and support the health of the intestinal lining. Research from institutions including Stanford University School of Medicine has shown that diets rich in fermented foods can increase microbiome diversity and reduce multiple inflammatory markers in healthy adults. Considering how many age-related diseases are linked to chronic inflammation, improving gut health may influence the aging process throughout the entire body. When you nourish your gut, you are supporting nearly every major system in your body. That's why fermented foods earn the #1 spot. In conclusion, here's the exciting part. None of these foods are exotic. None require a prescription. And none are magic. Healthy aging doesn't come from chasing quick fixes. It comes from consistently giving your body the nutrients it needs to repair, protect, and perform at its best. Imagine adding blueberries to breakfast, drizzling extra virgin olive oil over lunch, enjoying green tea in the afternoon, including salmon or avocado at dinner, finishing with a small piece of dark chocolate, seasoning meals with turmeric, and regularly eating fermented foods. Individually, each choice may seem small. Together, they create a dietary pattern that supports your brain, heart, skin, gut, and cells over the long term. Remember, while these foods are backed by encouraging scientific research, they work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, avoiding tobacco, and following guidance from your healthcare professional. If you found this countdown helpful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with someone who wants to age healthier, and let us know in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat, And which one are you going to add to your routine first? And if you're passionate about living longer, feeling stronger, and staying healthier as the years go by, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll bring you more science-backed health and longevity tips to help you thrive at every stage of life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.